Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to remove your gel polish magically with Rosalind Magic Remover. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So this is the Rosalind Magic Remover. So I will show you two ways on how to remove your gel polish with Rosalind Gel Polish Remover. First is remove the top coat by filing it. So once all the shine is gone on the nail, apply Rosalind Magic Remover. Make sure not to apply Magic Remover on the skin. Leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. And it looks like this as you see the gel polish start changing. The second way is apply enough amount of Magic Remover on the nail and then leave it for 3 minutes and then scrape. And remember not to apply any on the skin. So if you see it like this, it means it's ready to be scraped. But this one needs a little bit more time. You can scrape it using the nail pusher or even an orange wood stick. So as you see, it's very easy to scrape the gel polish without using any nail drill. After scraping, wipe it with alcohol pad and this is what it looks like. With Rosalind Magic Remover, it is very easy to remove the nail gel without hurting your nails. So I'm gonna leave the link below in my description box so you guys can check it out. Wipe it with alcohol pad and then you're done. So the steps are very easy. Apply it on the nail, wait for 3 minutes and then scrape it and you're done. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.